Studio Tabo is a design studio in Stockholm, and we make custom lamps using natural materials, and we combine 3D printing technology with traditional craft. This bio-composite has some really intriguing light properties. The bioplastic is kind of colorless, but with the addition of wood fibers you get very natural, warm light. I think also the 3D printing process adds a kind of unpredictable pattern to the surface, so it's not perfectly even. Not everyone gets it, understands that it's 3D printed, but they like the combination. It's not dead in that sense, flat and dead as an injection molded surface would be. We have like a granulate mill machine that grinds the failed prints down to not pellet size but close to it, and then we can just bag it up and send it back to Add North, and we mix it in for each new batch of material that we get, so it's a fully circular system for the material.